My goal is to teach people how to trade stocks. At least show them what works for me. I've had books, courses, everything. It took me about 5-6 years of getting my ass kicked to really figure this thing out. And I'll go back and I'll watch a lot of videos with courses and stuff like that, selling courses. And hell, I don't know how to put together a course. I have no idea. I don't know how to start a website. I don't know any of that. I do trade stocks. I use Thinkorswim. I started out with Scottrade. They switched over to Thinkorswim. I've used several. I've read tons of books. And you read a book or you watch a video or you find a course and you think it's going to work, and because you don't know. But the only thing that I did have in the background of all that is I had these ideas. I would notice things on the chart, momentum levels, things like that, and they're not moving averages. It's not moving averages. It's not price levels. Prices don't bounce off of levels they appear to, but that's not what's going on. And if you want to place a trade in where you're protected somewhat as best you can, that's what I do. I look at a company, look at a stock. I use some basic ideas, and they work. It is a business making money. It is a business not making money. It's that simple. If they're making money, then the big investment firms are going to take them up, and they're going to spend money on these companies, and they're going to rebalance into these companies. And so whenever they do go down, you've got a chance. You've got a chance of getting in, and if you want to day trade that, you know, while it's in that upshot, then go ahead, do it. It's fine. You can do it, but until it gets there, you know, you're not going to try to. You got to know which charts you can use and which charts you can't. You got to know which charts to put on the back burner and which ones to throw away. And it's really that simple. And yeah, I want to charge people because I can't spend hours and hours on the computer. You know, how do I justify that if it's not a business of some sort? If I'm not making a little bit. So yeah, I'm trying to start this thing, and I'm trying to help people and charge. But my thing is, I really just want to have some type of fellowship with other traders, because whenever you're trading, the people around you in your daily life, they're not traders. They don't want to, even if they wanted to talk about it, they're not going to understand exactly what you're talking about. I start talking about trading, and people start yawning, and people start changing the subject, and they want to get out of there. It's that simple. So you're not going to get to this. You're not going to get to a point to where you're half-ass decent, which is where I've gotten. And the way I know that is I'm not running into trades. I don't freak out if I lose an opportunity or whatever. My account grows. I don't have a huge account. I lost a lot, and then I kind of backed up, switched gears, had to figure out what was going on, and then from there, I kind of picked myself up off the ground and started doing better, and started really getting into it, and really getting a hold of my own ideas, and putting my own ideas, making them actionable. Where it just got to where I just understand what to do. I know what to do. And I'm thinking, my God, man, I mean, I see these videos and it's just amateur BS. And you're talking about indicators and this, that, and the other. And it has nothing to do with actually placing a good trade, or finding a good spot to position yourself in, whether it's a long position or a short position, whatever you want to do. I mean, once you understand what the chart's doing, you don't need a strategy. You don't need, it doesn't even take discipline. It doesn't take any of that. It's just, once you understand the chart, you can make an informed decision. And you find a good chart, and then is the company making money or is it not making money? It's that simple. As far as Forex, it's all chart. It's all chart. I don't care for Forex because I don't like the spreads. And I don't like companies. I enjoy looking at companies to some degree. I'm not great at it, but I do it well enough to make good decisions. But that's where I'm coming from. And if you reach out, try to set something up, and I'm trying to figure out a price, maybe $30 an hour. If you really want to talk to me and you really want to do some screen time and you can't afford that, I mean, I'll work something out with you, man. I mean, so look me up. Hey traders, here in my garage, just moving around in circles. Just got all this stuff, this garage stuff. That's all.